Shubor nakaslem jong Liengsuin Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubadipet ia ketena transport uba Sniawbhalang dhar habakran cekin nong thok khobor uloong ba Sdang no Shen ya ke Jingpyntrei ban Pynheh ya kekat Liengsuin ha nong ba Shillong kabala kami lenti laslem bah kabadan ha Umroi Hariboi district shushu uloong ba ke Airport Authority of India kala terwa tenda ban Pynheh ya kene kekat Liengsuin uloong ba ukermen baki Liengsuin ki bakam he kinla ban hiar bat sange ha kani kekat Liengsuin ha kabakut jong usnem arja apun riu uba adhar ula pensyairu baka jaka kabala shim kamdei na kabenta galinti ya Liengsuin Henry kabakongsan kadena kabenta ka runaway and safety areas ka Jingpyntrei kabakentup ya ka sanspa anyo phuai mitar ya galinti ya Liengsuin kabala don lupa sya ka Jingdrong kaba 8,000 sauspa mitar ka AAI kala IT ya ka draft master plan na kabenta ka Jingpyntrei ka kat Liengsuin ha ubanai nailar arhaja apusaw bat ka jingshim jaka kaba arku ekar ki badan kam na kabenta ka ni ka project kala dab ya chaprang.
Tender has been approved by the airport authority. We are happy to inform you. So hopefully the work will start very soon, and hopefully by the end of 26, I think we should be able to bring big flight here.
Okay, which kind of flight we are expecting that now?
A320, big one, the one we used to fly normally for 180.
How much is the cost for this expansion?
Cost is not from the state, it's from the airport authority of India. They will do everything. It seems they will touch around 500 crores, more or less. They told me when we had the first meeting.
The work?
The infrastructure work. Not fixed, they told me it may be 400-500 crores, something plus minus.
They completed in
on the process. On the process, but we are getting the working permission through defense, so we can go ahead with that. And the expansion work now we are yet to do, where Tana has been put is still within the old boundary only. Space is still there, and we are acquiring the land for the RESA, some the runway safety something. The new additional land is required for the runway safety only, not for the main. Not for the main runway. The main runway is still land is there. We are still under our land only.
Okay, expansion will be for the safety.
Yeah. The additional required is for the safety only. But the RESA is called Run and Way Safety Area. Yeah. The additional land is only for the RESA, Run and Way Safety Area. And for the actual runway, another 507 meters, is still within the old boundary. And for that, there has been